welcome back to my channel, LiveWithAdan. So I have been seeing this challenge go viral on YouTube for quite a while called the One Dip Makeup Challenge. So I was like, Adan, why not try this? And my brain was like, yes. Okay, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Sorry. I have primed my lids, I've done my eyebrows, because if I had done that with a one dip, that would have been a disaster and I would have been crying right now. So just get into the eyeshadow. So we've got this Make Magic Revolution X Carming Make Magic palette, the most stunning palette I own. And we're gonna go into the shade Flames, which is this orange shade. Okay, so my brush is just stained. It doesn't really have any product on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a hold on my brush. Goodbye shadow. So I got a good lot on my brush. Okay, and then the one thing is that because after I prime my lids, they just don't want to blend out. I don't know why. Okay, this one is a bit more vibrant than this one. Trying my best to get each and every little piece of pigment out of that shadow, but that is just completely done. Now we're gonna go into the shade Free Hugs, which is this purpley maroon. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a nude shade. I'm just gonna get my brush in there. Ooh, that's a lot. Just going onto my eye. So we're just doing the crease right now. And I am just blending it out. Okay, so now to deepen up, okay, I'm sorry if I said this was called Free Hugs. I don't even remember what I said, but it's called Overcome. Just wanted to put that out there if I said Free Hugs by accident. Now we're gonna go into this very pretty Miss Rose Professional Makeup Kit. It does not have a label. The label actually came off, but it isn't named. And this shadow palette is super duper duper pigmented. Should I got a pull elastic band, but oh well. Like, let's go into this shade. Oh, I went to the wrong shade. Wait, I wanted to show you a dark shade so that the camera can really pick up the iridescency. Let me just swatch that for you guys. Like, look at that. It is so pretty. So we're gonna go into this shade. It doesn't really have a name, and I'm just gonna go into that. I hope I didn't do two pans. Yeah, my thing left the pan and into the crease. I kept on forgetting that this is a one dip challenge. I am so sorry if I'm cheating and I'm not even realizing it. I'm so sorry. Okay, that should be good. It doesn't look like perfect because I'd go multiple times in that same eyeshadow, but oh well. We're gonna go back into the Carmi X Revolution Make Magic palette, and we're gonna go into this shade that is called 'Cause of You. It's a very pretty rose gold color. Just wiping my finger enough in there for two eyes. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Okay, I think that's all that I'm gonna get out of this shadow. Then I'm gonna go into the shade called Love Yourself, which is another really pretty rose gold, but it's more has more of a pink tint to it. Okay, I shouldn't have taken out that fast, but oh well. I'm just gonna layer that on top. Not bad for a one dip challenge, you know. That is our eyes. We're not done. Okay, so I have apologies for one thing, is that I'm not very good at gel eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go in with my pen eyeliner because, well, I'm not very good at any other eyeliner, and nor do I want to take the risk of ruining this makeup video. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. So guys, these are the lashes from Pop Me Out. Okay, I'm not gonna brag about them, but I do recommend their lashes if you are going for very nice and lightweight mink lashes, which are affordable. I would do them. Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly I think first we're gonna apply foundation. So we have the Miss Rose Purely Natural Foundation in Beige 3. Okay, I only got one pump of this. Okay, wait, I have something on me hand. They're really long lashes, not gonna lie. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, that's all I get. So I feel like it would, God, these lashes, be better if I kind of first rubbed it in with my fingers and then went in with a brush or a beauty blender, because I feel like that soaks up half of the product, and we're kind of going for a light coverage because, well, that's all we get. So I'm gonna go into this because I feel like this doesn't take in a lot of product. Okay, it's not reaching this part of my face. Okay, I'm trying to get it to the best, to get the best coverage, but it's not seeming to work. I'm getting really streaky. My brush is making streaks, which is not kind of blending. Have you guys, if you guys have Netflix, watch The Princess Switch, and then it's part 2, which is The Princess Switched Again. I just loved it. Okay, so we're gonna go in with mascara because I forgot to add on mascara. Ooh. Okay, my brush is fully loaded with mascara. Trying to apply it on my real lashes. Should have probably tried and done that before. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the concealer. We got the Miss Rose concealer. I don't think we'll be able to highlight our points because my thing is drying and I want to get as much concealer as possible. Oh, there's someone that wand. Can we get in? Bring a friend this holiday. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brush because, wait, everything is falling for me. This has no product at all on the brush. I'm just gonna dab it in. It should give me good coverage because, well, I'm doing it with a brush and people say they get more coverage with a brush. Ooh, that gave me good coverage even though I only got to dab it in once. With whatever I have on a brush, I tried to cover up some marks which I was obviously not successful. So I'm going to quickly take this and go into my face contour kit and quickly set my under eyes. Okay, one dip. We got a decent amount of product. Okay, so now this side. Ooh, that's a bit too much. Ouch, that hurt. Yay, that was kind of successful. Ouch, 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 my eyes are hurting. Okay, so I have this kind of cool tone bronzer, which I want to see if it works. This is just kids kind of makeup thing that I was gifted. I'm gonna go into this. It's kind of like a cool tone bronzer. Oh my god, my eyes are literally watering. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take a contour brush and see if that. Okay, that's all I get. I forgot I needed a bit more. That's not really doing anything. I'm gonna quickly go into my face contour kit and swipe it a lot into the medium contour. Ooh, that's so much. Okay, let's just try it. Well, if my eye wasn't red enough, I'm going to try and blend this out because, well, it's a bit of a harsh line that has way too much contour on it. Trying to soften up this look. Okay, my eyes are literally watering. Oh, I forgot my blush. Okay, fine. I have this Shade 5 Margin Mini Blush. I'm going to swirl it. Ooh. Ooh. I have more on this blush. I mean cheek. I'm really trying to take off that. I would have added more to this cheek, but oh well. Something is poking me in the eye. Okay, these eyelashes are getting really annoying right now, so let's just quickly get on to highlight. For highlight, I have the Face Studio Chrome Maybelline Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold. God, this is broken, so I'm not going to be showing you guys. I'm going to take my highlighter brush, dab it in there quite a lot. Try and do a bit on my brow bone. And then, because I need to blend this out. Okay. And now, last but definitely not least, this lipstick. So it's in the shade 917 Oasis. This is just lying in my cupboard and I don't even know where it is from because it's so old. It doesn't even have the cap. It's a nude. It's definitely matte. And now I'm going to go into the Double Dazzle lip gloss, but this is in Sugar and Spice. I have the one in Pretty and Posh also. Sugar and Spice is kind of like pink. And then let me show you Pretty and Posh just for a side-by-side comparison. This. So this is a little more peachy than the the Sugar and Spice. So I'm gonna go into the glossy side, not the very glittery side. I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. Okay, I did that only once and I got a pretty decent amount on my lips. Okay, that's the finished makeup look, guys. So guys, this is a one dip challenge. I know it does not look much, but this she could have used more blush, and oh my god, these lashes are killing me. They're kind of hurting. I don't know why, but oh well. And this is kind of a soft glam honey Jeffrey out there. Please let me know what you would like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications. Comment down below what other videos you would like. Until next time, bye.